y'all, it's my mom.
That's right.
She picked me up in the airport. Mom looks so cute. Wow. She's about to make me take her pictures. Hold on. Oh, maybe not. I should show the people where you live. Sisters, wait, what is it? Together forever. We're Linda and Brad.
No.
Best friends.
Into the hair store because the only thing my family cares about me for is for me to do their hair. Right after I touched down, we made it to the hair store. So here's where we are.
Okay, I'm going to my sister's bathroom. I'm at home. I'm going to Kayla's birthday dinner. So excited to see all my friends. I'm so excited. I'll do outfit check for you guys in a second, but it's little details. Here's my earrings, fake makeup, my hair, my dress. I have these little arm pieces and this little one piece. And then I'll put my purse on and everything, and then I will show you guys the final look. Hey. Okay, so really quick, I'm at home. I'm surprising my mom. I told her to like take off work today and stuff, and that's gonna be a me and her day because why not? So we need to leave like right now to make it to where we're going. I'll just keep you guys updated throughout the whole day, but right now we are about to go to a massage. She doesn't know about it, so I'm really excited. And I know she has no idea, like no idea at all. So yeah, so that's where we're now. That's my look. See you guys soon. Hey, where are you?
Girl, I am so happy I'm gonna get a back massage.
We're getting
I don't have that before.
massage.
Surprise me.
Yes, I did.
Massage. I am so happy. I don't even know how to express it.
Oh my gosh.
Just get started.
We're getting a
I've been
massage.
having back pain, so God, thank you so much.
Oh my god. That was the best massage I've ever had. Seriously. Like,
Man, I was snoring.
she was.
I don't even want to leave.
I have to tell you guys the backstory. Like, this man pulled my whole wig off.
I don't even want to leave. I want to just go to sleep here.
Oh my gosh, it was so good. 10 out of 10. Like,
Oh, no. 10? 15 out of 10.
okay, let me tell you guys the backstory on what's happened. So we went on a massage. We got a massage or whatever. We're in the same room. So like a couple's massage, but mom and daughter version. I did not. I thought it was just gonna be like a body massage, like back. This one started doing my face. I have makeup on. Scrubbed it right off. This one I was pulling my wig off, but I didn't even care because it felt so good. I was like, I don't even care. Like my wig was back here, the back of it was up. I was like, whatever.
I was snoring actually.
She fell asleep. Like literally my makeup, like my whole forehead, scrubbed off. And like down here, like my lips are messed up. Why is it trying to rain? Okay, where are we?
I want you to order me that steak.
Where are we, Mom? She didn't even know the restaurant. We're at Season 52. Huh? We're at Season 52.
Oh.
So I took her to a restaurant.
Yeah,
we're getting food.
Season 52.
And guess who joined us? Ooh, why is your face so bright? Oh, hold on.
Young college girl.
Why is it so bright? Focus on. There.
Yeah, joined us.
I don't know why it's so bright. I don't know.
College girl.
Yes. How do you feel?
Well, I feel so spoiled.
So spoiled.
I feel so spoiled. I just want to lay down and go to sleep.
Oh my gosh.
That tells you how much I am relaxed.
Alright. not like watching soccer games because I think it's so boring. But it's okay.
You don't know what you're missing then.
Who asked?
No, do you even be watching?
Okay. Hey. Look at it. We're getting ice cream. Ice cream date. Yeah.
Who's paying?
She is. Alright, y'all, almost done. Everyone left. She's fast. That was like really, really quick. I was not expecting that. We're almost done. I can't wait to see the ending. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. I'm really obsessed. You did such a good job. I love it.
Okay, when you're ready.
I'm ready. Y'all, she did her thing. Like, these are so cute.
Some hair on. Hey y'all, book me, Brace Galore.
Period. Y'all see the work? The pitch is in the pudding. Look at it, okay? Come get your hair done. I'm getting wings. It's so cute.
Tender Mexican honey spicy with a fry, a focaccia, extra roll, and a ranch dressing.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sweetie.
I'm so excited. Y'all, my hair is so cute. I am going to brunch with 2 of my friends. Well, my cousin and my friend. And yeah, here's my look. Okay, I'm at First Watch with my friends. Well, I'm about to go inside and meet them. I'm gonna eat with them really quick, and then I have to go all the way to Kansas to see Catherine. And then I have to go do some other stuff before my flight leaves, so I'm in a rush, but yeah. Speak of the devil. You look really cute. She did not hug me like that. Thank you. I'm really good at this. Okay, my shoes are from my mom's closet. My pants are from my sister's closet. The shirt is Calvin Klein. This vest is Polo. This hair is from Blades Like Laura. This face from Up Above. Okay. Bye. 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 Okay, past Booty Lane. Y'all see it right there? Oh my god. Say hi to Kat, everybody. Do you want to shout your hair brand out?
K Blair Hair. Follow me at K.BLAIRHAIR on Instagram and Facebook.
The celebrity stylist. She be doing celebrities' hair, y'all. It's her cute little office. That is so cute.
She ain't got the TV up here. Who y'all know doing it like that? Shoot, not me.
What's ahead of my grandma? Look at her, it's so cute.
Pull up on me. Oh wait, it's blurry. Pull up on me. You better pull up on me.
Only did my address.
Okay, say something nice about my leaving.
How miss you?
Of course you will.
Take the flight to Florida.
Don't tell people where I live. I'm just playing.